Afternoon everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog guys ay araw ng birthday ng aming manager. Ay may plano kaming iso-surprise ngayon kasi akala niya guys ay nakalimutan namin yung birthday niya. Kasi kaninang umaga ay nagpapapansin sa amin pero hindi namin pinapansin kasi akala niya nakalimutan namin yung kanyang birthday pero hindi kasi nagpabili kami ng cake at saka flower doon sa kanyang asawa, tapos i-surprise namin mamaya. So tignan natin mamaya guys. Habang ninaantay natin si manager kasi meron pa siyang trabaho guys, ay dito muna tayo sa napakagandang view dito sa harapan ng hotel. At yung araw ay palubog na guys, napakagandang kulay yellow. Yan guys. At sa
Happy birthday to me. Yung kamay mo.
Ayan guys, tayo ay magso-sorpresa sa ating manager. Ayan. Uy, madilim. Ay. Dilim.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Wait. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Bravo.
Yay!
In Greek.
Kronya pula.
Tutina banana. Tutina banana. Voy a superar.
Knife pala.
What did you commit?
Yeah, because it was.
What is that? Shell? They can remove that.
Πόσο είχε τούρτα σπίτι?
30 31 ke saranda, I think. Nere.
Σοβαρά να μιλάς τώρα.
Ένα πιπάκι με 25 ευρώ.
Ρε φίλε, δεν είναι τίποτα, παντεστάνει.
It's here the receipt, re.
Έλα ρε σπιτιό.
Κόψε.
Βγάλε το βαμμένο.
Το κέρδο.
Hey! Hey! Happy birthday to you. Crazy, what are you doing? Κάνει live. Τι ώρα είναι?
Χρειάζομαι μία σπάτου. Είναι πολύ πράσινο.
Έχουμε σπάτουλα.
Και κάτι, ξέρεις, κάτι έστω.
Ayan guys. We'll celebrate.
Πώς.
Why did you sing
We'll celebrate birthday celebrant to Madame Suzu. Look at here the hotel. It's very dark.
Έτσι τα βάζω και εγώ ρε σπιτιό.
Ayan guys. Tapos na ang pagbublo ni Madam. Ayan. Tapos na at nagkakating na kami ng Madam.
this one?
Cut very nicely.
Madame cut very nicely.
Yeah.
Τι nicely.
Nice
Πρόσεχε,
naman.
ξεμισογύρισε γιατί είναι πλαστική αυτή η σπάτουλα. Δεν κρατάει.
Δεν είναι εύκολο.
Κράτα το από πάνω με το μαχαίρι.
Kronya pula.
Τα πιο καλύτερα κομμάτια
This is
Nice
yours.
cake,
μωρέ.
που θα ακολουθούν.
Madam, this is yours, the first
Να
cut.
πάνε πάνω.
Έλα μωρέ σιγά.
This cigarette. Nice. Cut nice, re, Madam. You break it.
It's
for
very soft. Very soft. Πήγαινε τα ένα λεπτό ρε μιλτό.
Δεις.
Why you don't put in the fridge?
Κουταλάκια, πυρουνάκια, κάτι.
Πάρε.
Παίρνω χαρτοπετσέτα.
Όχι μωρέ πήγαινε να τους θέτει.
Number one,
Number 3.
Room 3, room
Μία
3.
εγώ
Number 1, nobody staying.
Brad, say happy birthday to Madam.
Happy birthday, madam.
What your wish to Madam?
My wish is best wishes. All the
Wish is best wasted.
All the best.
All the best. Oh, nice.
Very soft. You cannot.
Ice cream cake, this?
No, I don't think.
What's happened to
Put
it?
it. It's the ice cream. The ice cream, the cake. This is the ice cream, not the cake.
Ice cream.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's very dark. Guys, yung aming regalo kay Madam. Yan yung aming surprise. Ayan. Yung kanyang flower. Wow!
It's not mine. So, the dogs are here again. Huh?
that one.
Marina's birthday.
Bravo, madam! Happy birthday! So guys, tapos na yung aming pag-surprise kay madam na saglit lang. Yun. Madilim na guys. So ayun na nga guys, tapos na yung aming pag-surprise kay Madam Manager. So hanggang dito na lang ang aking vlog for today. See you next vlog. Thank you for watching. God bless.